Sawadika, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you about the sounds of the letters. In short, it's phonics. We all know that we have 26 alphabets and each letters have their own sound. So today I'll be teaching you. It's been around 4 or 5 months since I've been teaching the children this phonics, and last time one of my friends was suggesting me to make a video on this phonics so that people will learn through my videos. So today, friends from different places or other colonies, they sometimes used to call me and ask me regarding this sounds. So you can learn from this video and teach your brothers, your cousins, your neighbors and all without sending them to tuition. Okay. The first one we have is this. This is the name of the letter is A. This is A, and the sound of letter is A. A, as in A, apple. A, apple. Second one is B. B, and the sound of B is B. B, as in ball. B, ball. The third one is C. C. The names of the letter is C, and the sound of C is K. K, as in cup. K, cup. Next we have D. D, and the sound of D is D. D, as in D, door. D, door. Next, E. The name of the letter is E, and the sound of E is E. E, as in egg. Elbow, right? E. Sixth one is F, and the sound of F is as in fish. 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 G. The name of the letter is G, and the sound of G is G. G, as in girl. G, girl. G, girl. Next, H. H, and the sound of H is as in hat. 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 Then we have I. What is this? This is I, and the sound of I is E. E, as in igloo. 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 Next one is J, and the sound of J is J, as in juice. 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 Then we have K, and the sound of K is K. K. This one is quite similar with C, but the sound of C is soft K, K, and K is hard K, K, as in king. K, king. K, cup. Then we have L, and the sound of L is as in ladybird. Then the last one for today we have M, and the sound of M is as in moon. Moon. So that's it for today. And so that's it for today, and from N to Z I will be teaching you in the next video, and I hope that you have learned something. I hope that you have learned it. And as I've mentioned it earlier, instead of sending your brothers, cousins and your neighbors to tuition, you can learn from here and teach them. That's it. Thank you and see you in my next video.